In this video, I will be demonstrating the pyramid rivet die for the hand press machine. Here is the die itself. The rivets consist of, in this case, the cap, which is in the shape of a pyramid, and the post. First things first, take the base of your die and slide it into the hole of your machine. I'll be working on these ballet flats, which I've already made the holes using my 3mm hole punch die. Take the post, slide it through one of the holes, take your cap, place it atop. It'll snap in, be loose. This will set the rivet. Now you want to align it, which is very important when working with your pyramids, to align the points so your work looks even. Align it, place it into the base of the die, press down. Perfect. Nice and secure. Look at the back, nice and flat, even. I've already done one ballet flat, and you can see the examples of the pyramids. I've embellished clothing. This is not just for clothing design, although it works great with leather, clothing and accessories, jewelry. Handbag designers use it, crafters, costume design, scrapbooking. There's many different materials you can use with this rivet. Many different things you can do with it. Many different thicknesses too. That's important. This die and all the new dies that I will be listing very soon will be available at Minkus Margo on eBay or Etsy. You can purchase this die now. The hand press machine's also available. I'll be listing many more interchangeable dies, and there's many to choose from right now. Again, that's Minkus Margo on eBay or Etsy. Thank you for watching.